What's going on? This is Bernie, and today I'm going to be trying out this cord by eCircuit. It's a micro USB cable cord. I'm going to be using it for my cell phone. See, charging and data transfer. Okay, and yeah. So it lights up. So we're going to see if it really lights up, guys. I like things that light up. I couldn't find another one in the store. I purchased the last one. I would have loved to have gotten like 4 more, or at least 3 more, whether I would have had 4. But anywho, let's get this party started. Okay, so far I'm liking it. Seems like both ends have some light in it. And this is the cord. And the cord just, it's not as lit as it is on the ends. But I like that with the ends. So let's turn out the lights and see what's going on. Okay? Hello. There it is. So let's go down this cord to see if the rest of it is lit. And it's not. It's just like little lit dots inside this cord. It's a see-through cord with pink on the outside, like a pink line on each side, and you get, little beads of light all the way down. And it's attached to my computer, plugged in the computer. So on that end it's lit, and on this end where I can plug my phone in or transfer data. Okay? So let's plug the phone in and see what happens. We like it, we like it, we like it. And it thinks that I want to transfer data. Hold on, y'all. Okay. So, there you have it. This cord lights up while it's charging or transferring data. Other than it's just like at each end of the cord will be lit, which is good. And the whole cord itself will just have little dots in it. But I like it. I like it already. I wish I would have been able to get more. So y'all have a great day. This is Bernie. Love you.